Daikin VRV X system. How to check indoor unit quantity. Vertical bar professional training. Welcome to this professional training module on the Daikin VRV X system. In this video, we demonstrate how to check the connected indoor unit quantity directly from the outdoor unit PCB display. The VRV outdoor PCB is the central control system of the Daikin VRV X system, responsible for communication between indoor and outdoor units, compressor operation control, electronic expansion valve management, system protection and error detection, field setting and configuration adjustments. Step-by-step instructions covered in this video. Step 1. Press mode one time. Press the mode button once. System enters field setting mode. Display activates the configuration menu. Step 2. Press set 10 times. Press set repeatedly 10 times. Display scrolls through setting codes. Moves to indoor quantity mode. Step 3. Press return one time. Press return once. System confirms selection. Display shows the total indoor units connected. Result interpretation and troubleshooting. Example, display shows 24 indoor units connected. If display shows 00, no communication detected. If quantity is incorrect, check F1, F2 wiring. Verify indoor unit power. Check unit addressing. Inspect the communication line. Follow this method to quickly verify indoor unit connections and troubleshoot communication issues. This ensures your VRV X system is running efficiently and reliably.